Hello, so today we're with another video for the third multimedia video box, the Android 11 CarPlay box. Today we're here with a new E-Class 2021 model with a new MBUX system. So today I'm going to show you how the product works and how to use a few of the functions. So now I'm going to plug in our product and show you how to use it. Simply plug the product into your original Simply plug the product into original CarPlay USB port, and then our startup menu will show. Within a few seconds you'll see our Android 11 operating system, which is the system you see here. This is not the original Apple CarPlay system, but our new Android 11 operating system. This is the Android 11 system, latest from Google. And if you scroll right, you'll feel a bit familiar if you've been using the original Apple CarPlay. And then as you scroll left and right, you'll see we have pre-installed some applications for you already, like Netflix, Google Maps, Google Play Store, Google Chrome. So if you scroll left and right, you'll see more functions as you go. Has a touchscreen, you're free to use that as well. And another important function of this product is you can freely switch between your original car interface and the Android 11 operating system by simply clicking car, and you're back. And then to go back into Android 11 operating system, simply locate the original Apple CarPlay button wherever that is, simply click on it, and you're back into the Android 11 operating system, so you can change freely back and forth. And then another benefit of our Android 11 third multimedia video box is the actual GPS antenna. So before we had our external GPS kit with the Android 9, but with the new Android 11, it's actually internal GPS. So if you click GPS test, you see there's GPS signal. So even if your original car does not have even if your original car system did not have GPS signal, now you're free to use any navigational applications like Google Maps, Waze, without installing any extra GPS hardware. So as you scroll through the system, you'll see some basic applications like CarPlay, Bluetooth Music, Bluetooth Phone, Mirror, which is for iOS and Android, APK, which is for installing APK applications, and the media function. So the media function is USB offline playback. You can transfer music or videos directly onto the Android 11 box, and you can watch directly without a USB thumb drive. And as you see, maybe there are a lot of applications on the menu, so you can go into settings, engineering mode, 1, 8, 6, 8, press confirm, and you are free to close any application. So if you do not want, if you don't use Bluetooth Music, then you can close Bluetooth Music and any other applications that you'd like to free up your Android 11 OS. And another function that I want to show you is the wireless Apple CarPlay function here. So right now it says no devices connected. And now within seconds, wireless Apple CarPlay is connected. That took less than 5 seconds. To connect, you simply go into Bluetooth and click on the device name, which is shown on the screen. And once you've connected to wireless Apple CarPlay, all your original applications are here for you to use. To go back into the Android 11 OS, click on your car make here icon, and you are back into the system. Once you've clicked your car make logo and you're now back in the Android 11 OS, you can go into settings, general settings, and here down below there's the startup options. So after you've connected one time to wireless Apple CarPlay, you can select to always connect to wireless Apple CarPlay whenever you start your car, or simply stay in the Android operating system. Another function of the Android 11 box, the MMB Android 11 box, is the HDMI port here. So what this does is allows you to basically mirror your screen, your front screen, to any rear seat TV screen as well, which will now show you how that's done in the rear seat. Okay, so now that I've connected the HDMI port to a rear screen, I'm free to control the screen in the front, and it'll show the same thing on your rear screen. So for example, if I click into YouTube or Netflix and play a movie, rear passengers can watch the same movie. And if you want to control the system in the rear seat, you are free to you can purchase one of our remote controllers, connect that to the product with the USB-A receiver here, and you can control in the rear seat. So what this allows you to do is to play any kind of movies and videos for your rear passenger. And what you can do is you can actually go into your original car system, and you can still control the rear screen system with a remote controller. So what this allows you to do is to change any settings or use any original applications that you have in your original car system, and watch Netflix and YouTube in the rear seat with simply by connecting a remote controller and our HDMI port. And of course you can go back into the system in the front screen by clicking the Apple CarPlay icon. So we have a lot of improvements with the Android 11 box. If you have any questions or confusions, please contact us, and we would be happy to assist you. Thank you.